I guess, Brennan's car reviews.
Hello. Today we're reviewing Sprite Cherry.
Ooh.
It was ready.
Is it gonna overflow?
No.
Okay.
It's...
Well, it can't be too bad. You took 2 swigs.
Well, to see what I was tasting. So it's like... It tastes like Sprite if you had less lemon and more like... It doesn't really taste like cherry to me. It tastes more like blackberry.
Alrighty. So, would you get it again?
I don't know.
Okay. It's undecided. Let us know in the comments, I guess, if this is one of your favorites. And
Is my opinion completely wrong? Please roast me in the comments.
is it dope or nope to y'all? Put it in the comments. See you guys next time.